In this video, I will show you step by step how you can make private YouTube video public just in few seconds. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So all you have to do is just open your YouTube homepage like this, okay, and click in your profile picture. In your YouTube profile picture, go to YouTube Studio, click on YouTube Studio. You will be directly in your YouTube Studio dashboard like this. Scroll down. Under your dashboard you have content. Click on content, okay, and it's gonna take you to this home page over here, okay. As you can see, scroll down, you have the videos over here that are private, okay. So to make those videos public, just click over here on private like this and click on public, okay. So select this one and click on publish, and that's how you can make a private YouTube video public. It's super easy, guys. That's how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.